Alright, now that you can see your storyboard moving as an animatic, and more organization of your shots are being set up, you can slowly see the film in completion. By the way, if this is the first video you're watching on my channel, hi, my name's Jeff, and these are my animation notes. I make these production videos here and there, so if you like what you're watching, consider subscribing. Yeah, thanks. Okay, you can also start seeing the edits you can do in the movie. Like certain parts can be longer or shorter for this animatic. Some acting scenes need more time to be felt, and some scenes can be removed altogether because it's too redundant. Take your time to keep working on this, because your goal here is to have an animatic lock, meaning after this step, that's it. You cannot change it anymore. Of course, you could change little bits here and there, but in terms of the overall story flow, that's it. It's time to move forward.